every time that phone rang, I knew he was dead. I knew this was it.
For 8 years, it's been a battle with drugs for Diane Buxton's son.
And then the pills ended up with pot, and then it ended up with alcohol, and then eventually by the age of 18, he started using heroin.
And he was not the only one suffering.
It affects all of us, and that's why they call it a family disease. When we're going through this, it's quiet.
Diane's son is now in his 6th year in recovery and going strong. And the journey with her son has led Diane to help other families struggling in the same way she has. She's now a facilitator for PALS, parents of addicted loved ones, in Avon.
I've been to a hospital where their daughter is on life support, and it's just time. I've been there. I haven't been there, though. Thank you, Lord. That's every parent that has a child in active addiction. That's their nightmare. They are going to get that phone call.
The Hendricks County Coroner's Office has been on that phone call 19 times just this year.
I think we'll meet or even exceed, what we had last year.
Last year in 2016, that phone call was made 20 times. But in 2010, just 7 years ago, that number was only 2. And the lifestyle, cities, and ages are across the board.
This drug does not discriminate with the people that it gets its claws into.
Do you think society has a grip on the actual issue at hand in Hendricks County?
No, I really don't. If you haven't dealt with it or been next to a family that's dealt with it, I just don't think it's... I just don't think they get it.
Alongside the coroner's office and the county's health and law enforcement departments, Krista Detzel is one of the many people in Hendricks County working to bring more awareness to drug addiction and the increasing number of overdoses.
We still need to understand that an opioid is an opioid. Pain pills are opioids. And so if you're asking for pain medication for your child, if you're asking for a refill for yourself, and you've just taken them because you just have this kind of chronic pain, you are, in essence, you are taking the same substance as if you were taking heroin.
Them to know there is hope. And as long as they're breathing, there's hope. And I don't care if they've been using for 20 years, there's hope. So never, ever give up.